That's the inner filter. And with any luck, this is the outer filter. All right. Looks like that's going to work. They give you this new washer. Of course, it's stuck to my hand. All right. They give you this new washer. It's rubber on one side, metal on the other. Man, it's a tight fit. All right. A wing nut. Put that back on. There. That's good. And of course, I didn't bring a pen with me or marker to write down the date I changed this. But it's right at $600, so it shouldn't be too hard to remember. And if you need a filter, this is a correct one for a 1996 Ford. It's a Ford tractor, not a New Holland. I believe it's the last one made before New Holland started putting their name on. But this is a Ford 3930. Again, here's the correct filter. There's the barcode. If you want to scan it. And this little prop here goes up here like that. Put the cap back on. And down here, these are a little tricky. You see they got this extra piece there. You just, as you bring it down, you slip it underneath that slot and push it down, and it stays. I tripped over my own feet. Again, on this side, it goes underneath that slot there. Push it on in. Now all we gotta do now is find a warm day, change this fuel filter, and she should be good to go.